Fear grows in your imagination, but it shrinks the moment you take action. The endless what if scenarios your mind creates are often far worse than reality itself. Fear knocked at the door, courage answered, no one was there. Don't wait until you feel fearless, move anyway. Even when life feels like it's falling apart, whether it's financial struggles, a broken relationship, losing your job, or facing overwhelming setbacks, don't try to solve everything at once. Prioritize the most important problem, take one step towards solving it, and then take the next. Progress begins with action, not perfection. Every step forward weakens fear and brings you closer to the life you're fighting to rebuild. One of the biggest mistakes people make is setting goals so ambitious that they become overwhelming before they even begin. Real progress happens when you choose challenges that stretch your abilities without making success impossible. If you ever feel like you don't know how to improve your life, you're probably looking for a transformation that's too big. Start with something small, something you might even consider insignificant, and do it consistently. Those small wins build confidence, confidence builds momentum, and momentum changes lives. As the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Never underestimate the power of small actions repeated every day. They are often the beginning of extraordinary change. There comes a moment when you realize you're not satisfied with simply existing. You look at the life in front of you, and something deep inside keeps telling you that you're capable of more. That feeling isn't arrogance, it's the quiet voice of your potential refusing to be ignored. Not everyone is willing to listen to that voice. Most people silence it because change is uncomfortable. They settle into routines that don't excite them and spend years convincing themselves it's enough. But if that fire inside you keeps burning, it's there for a reason. Don't apologize for wanting a different life. Don't let people convince you that your ambition is too much or your dreams are unrealistic. If you know you're meant for more, then prove it through your actions. Make the decision that your life will not be defined by where you started or by what everyone else expects of you. Let that fire become your fuel, and don't stop until the life you're living finally matches the person you know you're capable of becoming. Everyone says they want success. Everyone claims they're hungry. But real hunger isn't measured by what comes out of your mouth. It's measured by what your actions say when nobody is watching. When you're truly hungry, you don't keep saying, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes today, excuses become action, comfort becomes sacrifice. A hungry person doesn't wait for motivation, they create momentum. Imagine someone stranded in the desert searching for water. They don't tell themselves they'll look tomorrow. They move until they find it because survival depends on it. That's what real hunger looks like. It demands action. So stop asking yourself how badly you want it. Ask yourself a better question. What did I do today that proves I want it? Because dreams don't respond to intentions, they respond to effort. If your actions don't match your ambition, then it's not hunger you're feeling, it's just a wish.